If you're a business owner who's confused about whether you should hire an in-house team or outsource to a virtual assistant, this video is for you. Today I'm going to break down 10 reasons why outsourcing to a virtual assistant is the smarter decision. So the first reason, of course, is money, because we all know that it matters. And when you're hiring an in-house team, you have to offer them salaries, benefits, the office space and equipment, and all of that quickly adds up. But with virtual assistants, the costs are significantly less. So that becomes a no-brainer. When you're hiring an in-house team, your talent pool is limited to your local area. But when you're outsourcing, you have access to a global talent pool. So instead of settling for just good enough, you have access to the best of the best wherever they are in the world. Sometimes you need someone for just a few hours a day, or maybe for some time in a different time zone. So in that case, a virtual assistant's flexibility comes in really handy. Imagine not having to worry about emails, scheduling, calendar management, follow-ups and all that, and you are focusing on the core of your business. A virtual assistant can give you that freedom so you can focus on scaling up instead. So now let's say you want to expand your team. With an in-house team, you are looking at listing the job, going over the resumes, interviews, onboarding. You know the drill, right? But with virtual assistants, it's very easy to scale up, especially with Vishup. Do you need an extra hand? Vishup's got you in 60 minutes. With Vishup virtual assistants, you don't have to train them in any of the tools, because we deploy the ones who are already experts in your industry. So you don't have to spend time onboarding them, training them on how to do the job. Now think about it. You don't have to spend on office space or an IT team or an HR department, because virtual assistants are self-sufficient and they handle their own setups because they're remote, and that saves you from handling the logistics. And here's a big one. Vishup provides instant replacement in case you're stuck in a bad position. Don't like the VA fell sick, VA quit, or whatever the case may be. Vishup will replace the VA instantly without asking any questions. So you get the help when you need it and your workflow never gets affected. Well, it's not just your business that gets benefits from hiring a virtual assistant. It's also the environment. So when you choose to go remote, you are saving on the carbon emissions from commuting and office space, which makes the planet a better place. It's a small step, I agree, but it makes a big difference. In-house teams are long-term commitments, but subscribing to a Vishup virtual assistant helps you pause the subscription and scale back up during off-season and on-seasons, making your business very lean and efficient. And if these 10 reasons weren't enough to convince you, here's a bonus one. If you're still on the fence, then Vishup offers risk-free trial of our virtual assistant services, so you can see the value before committing long-term.